Ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana uStella Ndabeni Abrahams usexolisile ngesinyathelo sakhe sokwephula imigomo yeLockdown. uNdabeni Abrahams uxolisa nje uMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ubesemnike ikhefu elikhethekile lezinyanga ezimbili. Ungqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uJackson Mthembu nguyena ozobe ebambe isikhundla sikaNdabeni Abrahams.
Okhulumeli ihhovisi likaMengameli ukhusela Diko uthi akekho umuntu okumele angayilandeli imigomo ebekiwe noma ngabe ukusiphi isikhundla.
The president strongly believes that no one, including the minister, is above the law, and therefore the law should be allowed to take its course. The minister must face the same consequences as everyone else in this country for violating the rules that have been set.
uDiko uchazile ukuthi uMengameli umbizile izolo uNqongqoshe wezokuxhumana wamfaka endleleni wamtshela nokuthi akaxolise ezweni ngalesinyathelo sakhe.
The president summoned the minister on Tuesday, 7th of April, where he reprimanded her and directed her to deliver a public apology to the nation.
Okhulumeli ihhovisi likaMengameli uchazile-ke ngenyathelo ezibe seyithathwa uMengameli wezwe.
He will also be placing her on special leave for a period of 2 months. 1 month of this will be unpaid. The minister in the presidency, Jackson Mthembu, has been appointed to act in the place of Minister Ndabeni Abrahams during this period.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana uStella Ndabeni Abrahams uxolisile ezweni ngalesinyathelo sakhe sokwephula imigomo yeLockdown.
I regret the incident and I'm deeply sorry for my actions. I hope the President and you South Africans will find it in your hearts to forgive me. The President has put me on special leave. I undertake to abide by the conditions of the leave.
Kwenzeka konke lokhu nje siyakhula isibalo sabantu asebehaqwe lolu bhubhane eNingizimu Afrika kanti isifundazwe iGauteng isona esiyihola phambili ezinye izifundazwe ngesibalo sabantu abathelelekile. Isifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal isona esahamba phambili ngesibalo sabantu asebenqotshwe lolu bhubhane. nguCalvin Dludla weindaba zeSABC.